Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare tapioca rice rings. I tried it out, turned out excellent. This is a perfect tea time snack. It is very nice and tasty. You can prepare this in a jiffy. Now tapioca is in season. From November you get very good tapioca. I've already posted a detailed recipe how to clean tapioca, how to prep it, how to cook this tapioca and store it in the fridge. So I've already prepared the tapioca. I've cooked it ahead of time. Using a cheese grater, I'm going to grate it. So I'll post the tapioca playlist on the iCard above this video. You can click the iCard and you can see the playlist how to prep your tapioca. In detail, I've done recipe how to prep your tapioca ahead of time. So here I've grated this tapioca using a cheese grater. We need a fine tapioca paste, and here I'm kneading it very smooth dough. So the tapioca dough is ready at this point. I've reserved all the ingredients for the rice rings. We need the tapioca dough. I'm using 1.5 cups of the tapioca dough. I'll be using roasted Bengal gram flour. This is easily available, the roasted Bengal gram. I dry roasted it again and added it to a mixer jar and ground it into a smooth powder. So that is what I'll be using here. We'll also require rice flour, asafoetida, chili powder and black cumin seeds. Apart from this, we'll also require salt as per taste and oil for frying. Now I'll transfer the tapioca dough to a plate and again check for any hard lumps in the tapioca that I grated and kneaded. If there is hard lumps, just break it up. Now the tapioca is ready. It's nice and smooth. At this point, I'm going to add the roasted Bengal gram flour, rice flour, asafoetida, sesame and the chili powder. We'll add salt as per taste. If your dough is very tight, then add little bit of water. Just sprinkle little bit of water. Otherwise, knead it into a smooth dough. For me, it didn't require any water. I've kneaded this into a smooth dough and I already started to form the rice rings. So here you can see I'll be using slightly larger than a marble size roundel. Now I'll roll it into a cylinder shape. Join both the edges and form a ring. It's very simple to prepare. Prepare an entire batch of this and reserve it. Take slightly larger than a marble size ball. Roll it into a cylinder shape with both your hands. Join the edges and form the rice ring. Recipe in detail is posted on my blog, friends. The blog link and the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video, along with my social media handle links: Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. I've also got a Tamil channel where I translate and post the same recipe in Tamil language. All the links to my blog, social media handle and the Tamil channel link will be in the description box below this video. Here I've heated oil in a wok on very low to medium flame. I'm frying these rice rings. In a batch, I've added approximately 6 rice rings and I'm frying it on low to medium flame. Fry it for 2 minutes on each side, flip it on the other side and fry it for 2 minutes. Gently flip the rice rings and fry it till it's light and golden brown in color. Now that my rice rings have fried till golden brown in color, I'm going to drain it from the excess oil and serve it hot. You can serve this hot or you can serve it in room temperature. Either ways, it is very nice and tasty. So this rice rings are ready. We thoroughly enjoyed it with some tea, especially masala chai. I fried approximately 3 to 4 batches of this rice rings and we really enjoyed it. Do give this recipe a try. It's a very nice tea time snack. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. All the links to my blog and social media will be listed in the description box below this video. I will be seeing you soon with the next recipe video, friends. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.